Hello guys, welcome to 5th generation hobby shop and welcome to another video, another testing, another review. So, ang i-review natin ngayon, actually meron na tayong review nito. So, i-review lang natin ulit para kay Sir Carlo, kay shoutout kay Sir Carlo. So, this is the Wingun 708 2.5 inches barrel airsoft revolver. This is CO2 powered. Ito po yung airsoft na revolver na plastic ang bala, plastic BBs. Pero pwede rin siyang balahan ng steel ball or steel BBs. Yan, as long as ka-same size sila. This is 5.95 mm in diameter and also this is 5.95 mm in diameter. Magkaparehas lang sila ng diameter, pero magkaiba yung material. This is steel ball, this is plastic BBs. Pero pareho po silang pwedeng ibala sa ating Sport 708 Wingun revolver. So this is made in Taiwan. CO2 powered din. Ito yung kanyang propellant. This is CO2. Kaya ito yung kanyang hangin. Ayan yun, 2.5 version, 2.5 inches. So, para, ano siya, snub nose revolver. Airsoft revolver. Comes with the manual. It also comes with the, tawag nito, speed loader. Tactical rail. Yan, yung rail. At saka yung revolver. So, matigas siya kasi bago. Matigas yung lock. Yeah. Ito yung shell. Ito yung shell na pang 5.95 in diameter. So, pwede siyang balahan ng steel ball as long as 5.95. Yan. Lalagyan ko ng 3 steel ball at 3 plastic ball or plastic BBs. Yan. So, pwede siyang lagyan ng red dot optic na katulad po nito. Ayan. Because it comes with the tactical rail, so pwede mo siyang pormahan. Pwede mo siyang lagyan ng red dot optic. Okay. So, this is the 708 airgun revolver. Yan. So, CO2 powered. Again, this is airsoft. Not an airgun, pero nababalahan din siya ng steel ball. Kasi yung mga airgun natin is steel ball na ang bala, no? Okay. So, malakas to, guys. Umaabot to ng 400 to 500 FPS. Lagay lang tayo CO2. Lakas niya, guys. Kahit yung tunog niya malakas din. So, load lang natin yung plastic BBs. So, 3 plastic BBs po ito. At 3 steel ball. Or steel BBs. Yan. So, meron siyang safety. Push mo lang backward. Safe po yan. So, this is single and double action airsoft pistol. Okay, so testing. Okay, firing, guys. Wingun 708 CO2 powered airsoft revolver. So, bali meron diyan nakalagay steel ball and plastic BBs. So, ang gagamitin muna natin is the steel ball. Okay, firing. Okay, nung binaril natin yung lata, nabutas siya, tumagos siya dito sa first layer. Pero doon sa second layer, hindi siya tumagos. Okay, ito yung dating tama na eh. May butas na kasi yan. May tama na yan, yung lata na yan. Sa first layer, tumagos siya. Sa second layer, hindi siya tumagos. Plastic BBs po, plastic BBs, steel ball po yung gamit natin. Okay, so, ubusin lang natin ang bala. Pero malakas talaga siya, guys. Malakas yung tunog. Oh. Tumatalsik yung bala. Wala na. Okay, so single and double action siya, so pwede rin siyang ayan, tuloy-tuloy. Yan, Wingun 708 Airsoft Revolver. Si auto-powered Airsoft Pistol. Okay, so sa mga interested po sa unit na to, check nyo na lang po yung details sa description. Thank you and have a nice day.